to the spooky edition of ENN.
In this episode, we will be discussing a lot of events going on around the school.
This Wednesday, we'll have a Dare to Dream assembly in the gym. Each grade will go separately. This evening, the theater department is having a night of duet scene at 4:30 in the courtyard.
Also, this Friday is the Eagle Choir's Halloween party.
Let's take a look at the lunch menu.
Hey, do you know we're having a dance November 15th at 4:30 to 6:30. Tickets will be sold this week at lunch for $3. Thanks, bye!
Also, Eagles, there will be a meeting for the National Junior Honor Society this Thursday during 8th grade lunch in the library. If you are interested in joining NJHS, be sure to show up.
This week is also Red Ribbon Week, so we will have an opportunity every day to dress in a theme and send a message to say no to drugs. Here are the different themes. Take a picture so you'll know what to wear.
We also want to congratulate our UIL runners. Here's a list of the winners.
Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream. Up the octave, go for it. Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream. Easy peasy.
Lady Eagles, if you are interested in joining girls basketball, there will be a meeting after school on Monday, October 25th at 3:55 in the back gym. If you want to sign up for basketball, you must do so through a form on Google Classroom. Here are the class codes for 7th and 8th grade. Feel free to snap a picture so you can join. That's it for today's ENN.
Have a great rest of the week and see you next Monday.
Bye, Eagles! Feel free to snap a picture so you can join. I messed up. This evening. What's for lunch? Ah! No, I said I.